Hey game developers, have you ever wished you could get your hands on some AAA quality animations for your project without spending a single cent? Well, I've got some incredible news for you. There's a game changer in our Unreal community who goes by 3P Games, and they're dropping brand new high quality animations every single week. And they're doing this all the way until 2025. And the best part is you don't need to hunt for these animations. If you just head over to their Discord and go down to the free animations tab, you can just click on this and just download the files, the FBX files directly from Discord itself. And they even show you a little preview on how it's working. And there's some really high quality animations. I highly recommend you go check this channel out, give them a subscribe, make sure to watch their videos, give them all their watch hours that they deserve, because this is something that I've been wanting for a very long time. It can be pretty hard to find some AAA level quality, and I love this slide jump mechanic, which is amazing. And yeah, no strings attached, no hidden fees. He's just making amazing animations every week until 2025. He just asks for your support and a subscribe and all that. Go ahead and spam this button right here. Make sure your notifications are on, just like I did. Feel free to check out all his videos. And yeah, I just love anyone who creates animations or graphics and stuff, because those are my favorite. Those really help Unreal Engine look and feel much better. And yeah, let him know that Coder Throw sent you. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in his Discord. Check out the description below if you want to join right away.